In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WAFC flow in Miro. We'll start from a blank board and finish with a clear reusable flowchart you can share with your team or use solo. Open Miro and create a new board. Give it a descriptive name like content workflow or client process so it's easy to find later. Think of this board as your workspace where everything about the process will live. Before building anything, define the single process you're mapping. Keep it focused on one goal so it stays clean and actionable. For example, you might document a YouTube content workflow, a client onboarding sequence, or a social media posting routine. Having a tight scope prevents confusion and makes it easier to maintain over time. Now add the building blocks. Use circles to mark the start and end points, rectangles for tasks, and diamonds for decision points. Keep shapes consistent in size and align them to a simple grid so the visual reads left to right or top to bottom. A simple example might be start, idea, script, film, edit, upload, end. Connect the shapes with arrows to show direction. Consistent arrow flow makes your chart instantly understandable. If arrows cross, adjust spacing or reroute them so the path remains clear. In Miro, connectors snap to shapes, which helps keep everything tidy as you update it. Add meaningful details to each step. Click a shape and include short instructions, the tools required, and any deadlines or handoff notes. For instance, under Edit Video, note the tool CapCut and tasks like adding captions and transitions. Keep wording action-oriented and specific so anyone can follow the steps without asking for clarification. Introduce color coding so status or categories are obvious at a glance. You can use green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for needs attention. Or color by phase, such as blue for planning, purple for production, and orange for publishing. Add a small legend on the board so everyone interprets colors the same way. If you're working with a team, assign ownership. Tag the responsible person on each step or add a comment with an @mention and clarify who's accountable versus who's supporting. This prevents bottlenecks and missed handoffs. Centralize assets by attaching files and links directly to shapes. Add scripts from docs, drive folders, or reference material so no one hunts through multiple tools. Finally, test the workflow end to end, remove unnecessary steps, and simplify where possible. When it works smoothly, duplicate the board and save it as a reusable template. That way, you'll keep consistency and save time on every new project.